So you know how you're in your adult era and there are just certain things that maybe did not bother you before but start to bother you? Well, that's where I'm at. And one thing that's starting to really bother me is something like this. Like having my cheese in a Ziploc bag. Mind you, this is double zip because I had to double zip it because the first Ziploc bag tore. And it's been bothering me for a while. I just don't know why I can't deal with it anymore. Don't even get me started on something like Lunchmeat, which again, the containers like this bother me as well. And they do not close. Like they really don't close all the way. And so you're like, air is getting in here. Air is getting in here. But anyway, in my adult era, which I've been in for quite some time, by the way, I need to problem solve that to find a container to help me just bougie it up a little bit, to help me streamline it a little bit, to help me make it look good a little bit. I went on a hunt, found this cute little container, and I'm gonna show you guys just what I've been doing lately. All right, so first things first is, of course, I wash my hands before I'm handling anything. So I love cheese, and lately I've been gravitating more towards this white American cheese, but I have all types of cheese in my refrigerator. But for some reason, I feel like just white American or yellow American cheese needs a little bit more like nurturing for some reason to keep it like really firm. But here is the container that I purchased to keep my sandwich, lunch meat, just depends on what you call it, and my cheese in. I really like this container because it basically eliminates two pieces of like containers or something that I would otherwise have. Like I would have to have wrapped that sandwich meat or lunch meat container in like saran wrap to make sure it's fully closed. Now, when it comes to my cheese, I tend to like to cut my American cheese in half because I don't always use a full slice. Like I will use like half a slice of American cheese and maybe some sharp cheddar or some Gouda or something else. So I tend to like to cut my cheese in half. And this container held this amount of cheese really effortlessly, no problems at all. I typically leave the other half like fully assembled, meaning I don't cut it in half. But honestly, this container holds everything really snug. It keeps it fresh for weeks. I don't have to worry about any air getting in there. And personally for me, it's really changed the game because again, it eliminates the plastic container. It also eliminates me having to use a lot of Ziploc bags to basically wrap up the cheese as well. So it keeps my lunch meat and my cheese in one streamlined container. And to me personally, that is a win-win and a game changer. Well, that's it for this one. See you on the next one. Bye.